Because if once you record means we can show to kept means you can always see that questions also if anything. Come on, children, please complete your task, your challenge. Come on, complete your challenge. Who are ready, please raise your hands, Nana, so that I can see.
Ma'am, can you repeat again what we have to do?
All you have to do, what we learned, everything you're supposed to do.
Alternate, interior, exterior, everything.
Everything.
We have to do linear pair also.
Linear pair also, supplementary also, complementary also. But here we are unable to take we can take as a linear pair only. Vertically opposite also you mentioned, Nana.
Ma'am, I completed, ma'am.
Please let me know, my dear. Please show your work. No, you use your camera, on your camera and closer to your camera, show it. Or else shall I? Yeah, you're doing on your
Yes,
notebook.
ma'am. 1 minute.
Because
Can you see, ma'am?
who is this? Dhanyashree?
Yes, ma'am.
I am unable. 1 minute, Dhanyashree. Let me see on the screen. I am not finding you. Just maximize my screen. Just a minute. Nana. You go. You go there.
Ma'am, actually, this is my angle, ma'am. This is my transversal. Here are my interior and exterior angles. From here, I have written corresponding angles. And here there are alternative interior, exterior, and vertically opposite angles.
Very good, Nana. Dhanyashree. Right. Who are ready next? Who are ready? Show very closer to that camera, Nana. Dhanyashree, please little show what you are doing. I want.
Ma'am, you can see now.
Yes, I can. I can. Right. Yes, Srishti, please. Yes. Can you please read out, Srishti, what you wrote on this paper?
Yes, ma'am. I wrote alternative interior at angle 3 and 6, angle 4. Ma'am, I drawn of mine.
Okay, okay.
Angle 3 and angle 6, angle 4 and angle 5. Alternative exterior at angle 1 is equals to angle 8, angle 2 is equals to angle 7.
Okay.
Corresponding angles are angle 1 and angle 5,
Okay.
angle 2 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 7, angle 4 and angle 8.
Okay.
Same set angles are angle 5 and 7, angle 1 and 3, angle 2 and 4.
What is the relation? Wait, Srishti. What is the relation? Same side of a transversal, interior, same side of a transversal should be equal to?
180.
Very good. Supplementary. Good. Now they can test in any way in the exams. You be ready with your properties. All the properties should be perfect. If anyone is not happening also, please let me know so that I can help you.
Okay, ma'am.
So Sahashrita, I think the Sahashrita is ready with her work.
Yeah, I am ready with my work.
Very good. Sahashrita, please can you share with us? Good, Sahashrita, you are doing wonderful job. I can see very neat work you are doing. Good. Please, Sahashrita, can you read out what you wrote on the screen, your paper?
Yeah. Alternative interior, angle 4 is equals to angle 5, angle 3 is equals to angle 6. Alternative exterior, angle 1 is equals to angle 8, angle 2 is equals to angle 7. Interior angles, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, and angle 3. Exterior angles, angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, and angle 8. Corresponding angles is equals to angle 1 is equals to angle 5, angle 2 is equals to angle 6, angle 3 is equals to angle 7, angle 4 is equals to angle 8.
Wonderful.
Interior angles at the same side, 3 is equals to 5.
Same side of transversal, Nana. Same side of
Same side
transversal.
of transversal.
Oh.
Angle 3 is equals to angle 2.
Should
angle
be equal
3
to
plus
equal to also.
equal to 180.
Oh, good. Supplementary or 180. Okay, right, ma. Very good. Very good. Sahashrita, Dhanyasri, Srusti. Very good. Only girls first. What about boys? Where are you?
I finished.
Finished means you're supposed to show. There is a majority people showing.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Raghav finished.
Yeah, please, Raghav. I'm waiting for the responses. Even I'm only getting from the student. Yes, Jait, I think so. Jait is also ready, please. Yeah, one by one, Nana. Ritvik, I'll come to you. Just a minute, I'll come to you. Raghav.
ma'am, like mine is a little bit clumsy.
Raghav, please share your part, what you wrote on your paper.
Yes, ma'am.
Or else you're unable to post, ma'am. You're able to see. Srusti, I can see.
Ma'am, what, ma'am?
No, some message I saw. Anyone are waiting in waiting room? Someone is continuously coming. Jait, are you ready? Your work is ready? Yes, please read out.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, read out.
Ma'am, like interior and exterior
Show
angles.
your work.
ma'am.
Show your work, please. Near to camera, please. Little closer. Okay. Very good. Come on, please. Show your read out. What are the things you wrote on your paper?
Ma'am, like interior angles are G and F, ma'am.
Okay.
G and F and H and E. And exterior angles are A and B, C and D, ma'am.
Okay.
And linear pair is 110 degrees and 70 degrees.
Linear pair is 110 degrees. What is that? Linear pair is 110 and 70, Nana.
Ma'am, can I show my work and tell you one?
Yes, Raghav.
Ma'am, like how, ma'am?
No, 1 minute, Jait, I will come, but I didn't give any linear pair angles. The linear pair means sum should be equal to 180, Nana.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
linear
Some-
pair. Ma'am, okay, ma'am, then even I didn't write linear pair.
Okay, complete and
Ma'am,
complete.
sum is equal to 80.
180, Nana, 180, not
Yes,
80.
sorry, 180, ma'am. Complementary angles.
Nana, మనకి ఎక్కడ 180 అనేది వస్తుంది 80 we never get. Only the thing
Yes, ma'am.
180 is a straight angle or supplementary angle. 90
Yes,
is
ma'am.
complementary or right angle.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, complementary angle, the sum of two numbers is equal to 90 degrees.
Okay.
Supplementary angle, the sum of two is equal to 180 degrees.
Okay.
Alternate angles. So
Very good.
it's A.
Alternative interiors or exteriors you are telling, Nana?
Ma'am, now I'm saying interiors, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, interiors is
Cross,
ma'am,
no.
D and D.
Alternative means cross angles. You just keep
Yes, ma'am,
your
I know.
mind in into
Yes,
symbol.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, D and E, ma'am.
Okay.
And G and sorry, H and B.
Yeah. Please, Jait, what you did on the screen, you just take an image and post personally. I want to see. And
Okay.
next question to next Ritvik, are you there? Yeah, Ritvik, please
I
share.
still have little more, ma'am. I got this one.
You're doing still?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then I think Raghav is ready. I want to with Raghav, just please mute. Yeah, speak.
Yes,
Raghav.
ma'am. Actually, I did it really quickly, so the angle didn't come really well.
Okay, it's okay. I don't want okay, but your part is okay. Please read out louder what
Yes,
you
ma'am.
wrote.
Yes, ma'am. Alternate interior will be angle 3 and angle 6, angle 4 and angle 5. Exterior will be angle 1 and angle 8, angle 2 and angle 7. Now, corresponding angles would be angle 1, angle 5, angle 3, angle 7, angle 2, angle 6, and angle 8 and angle 4. Now, interior angles will be 3, angle 3, 4, 5, and 6. Exterior angles will be 1, 2, 7, and 8. Now, vertically opposite angles will be angle 7, angle 6, angle 5, angle 8, angle 1, angle 4, angle 3, angle 8, angle 2, I mean. And now, same side on the transversal interior ones
Okay.
will be angle 3, angle 5, angle 4, angle 6. Now, exterior ones, angle 1, angle 7, angle 2, and angle 8.
Very good.
Now, linear pairs will be angle 7, angle 8, angle 5, angle 6, now angle 3, angle 4, and angle 1, and angle 2.
Wonderful. All four types, all four pairs you wrote. Right. Very good, Nana.
This one. Thank you.
Next, I want to know who are ready, Nana. Please, ready. Jait, are you ready, Nana? I think Jait helped. Jait, yeah. I think both. There are 4 students completed. Mahavir, Gohit, who are ready? Nikhil.
Ma'am, I kept in your personal
I'm not
chat.
ready yet, ma'am. You to
Okay.
write.
Who are ready? Please let me know. Where is Ishan and Hana?
Yes, ma'am. Mine is
P.
done.
Vallabha? Yes. Ritvik, are you ready right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, please, Ritvik.
What, ma'am?
Yes, very closer, little closer. Yes. Down, down, down. I want to see the figure. Okay.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
Right. No, whatever the work I gave, please do it and submit. I want to see everyone today. I won't leave this because very important for the class.
Ma'am, we have to send you in WhatsApp.
Yes, even you can send the pictures of your images too.
Okay.
Ma'am, I am ready.
Mahavir, Ritvik, are you showing your work? Yes, please read out.
Yes.
Please read out. I'm waiting continuously. By many students, I need to.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, interior angles are angle 3, angle 6, angle 4, and angle 5, ma'am. Exterior angles are angle 4, sorry, ma'am. Angle 7 and angle 8, angle 1 and angle 2, ma'am. Corresponding angles are angle 1 and angle 3, angle 2 and angle 4, angle 5 and angle 8.
Ma'am,
Angle
excuse me, ma'am.
In
Ma'am,
image,
we
again,
said corresponding angles, angle 1 and angle 5 will come, right?
sometimes the students may mark differently, Raghav. According to their marking, they are maybe telling.
Okay.
Sometimes what they will do, they will mark from 4 angles. One they are not together form. They will some other different way they will mark. That's why it
Yes, ma'am.
varies. That's why it is varies. But that's why we supposed to see the images of the students. I think in Wise app you have a source of upload your image, right?
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. I'll
Yes,
post
ma'am.
it to you in your personal WhatsApp.
Okay.
Ma'am, even I.
Or else one thing I will do, children, I will call individual students who are showing just now. Please wait a minute. Let me take the line here.
Okay. Ma'am, shall I continue?
Yes, please continue. Nikhil.
Yes, ma'am. Again, there are angle 7 and angle 6, ma'am. Alternate interior angles are angle 4 and angle 6, ma'am. Angle 5 and angle 3, ma'am. Alternate exterior angles are angle 1 and angle 8, angle 7 and angle 2, ma'am.
Okay.
Linear pairs are angle 5 and angle 8, angle 6 and angle 4.
Yes, very good. And who else ready with their work?
Ma'am, me,
I'm
Mahavir.
ready.
Mahavir?
Ma'am, Mahavir, I'm ready.
Just a minute, Mahavir. Who are giving answers? They won't. Just a minute. I want to call other students. They are not at all opening their mouth and they are not doing their work too.
Ma'am, I'm doing it, ma'am. It will take me some time.
Okay, you can. Children who are doing it's really appreciable. Some are not responding. That's why my worry.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, Nana.
Ma'am, I'm in India and ma'am, now it's raining a lot.
Yes, Harini.
So I might
Harini.
have internet connection.
Yeah, that's why I'm unable to hear you, Harini. So sorry, even I'm thinking why very I'm not responding. Please go through the record part also, Harini, so that you can understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Please. Yeah, Harini, angle made by a transversals. How many angles we can make using transversal? There are how many angles?
8 angles.
Ma'am, 8 angles.
Raghav, can you please name those angles? I'm starting from here.
Okay, ma'am, then 1,
Yes.
2,
Okay.
and angle 3 and angle 4.
Where I supposed to mark 3 and 4? Please let me know.
Ma'am, 3 on the left side and 4 on the right side.
Okay. Then coming to the next portion.
Ma'am, 5 on the left side, 6 on the right side, 7 on the left, and 8 on the right again.
Now, just a minute, Raghav. I call the students. Some are not responding in the class too. Let me call those students. Where is Nikhil? Are you? No, Nikhil. Nikhil, are you there? Yeah, someone is. Who is this? Yeah. Vallabha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Please, Vallabha. Yeah, I want what are interior angles, Vallabha? Please, interior angles.
Ma'am, interior angle.
Yes. Please, Vallabha, what are inside angles? Inside the parallel lines. There are 2 parallel lines. Yes. What is those inside? Inside, interior means inside. Inside, what are the angles you are happening?
Inside. Yeah, ma'am. It's a 5 and 3.
Is it? You can start from here. What are inside angles?
Ma'am, it's 3 and 6 and 5 and 20. Okay.
3 and 4?
3 and 4 and 5 and 6.
What is exterior?
Exterior.
Yes.
Oh, ma'am, it's 3 and 6 and 5 and 4.
No, it's 1, 7, 2, 8. 1, 7, 2, 8.
Okay, 1, 7, 2, 8. 1, 7.
1 and 2?
1 and 7 and 8.
Very good. 7 and 8. I said for you, alternative interiors. Alternative
Interior angles.
Yes. Why many times I'm stressing on this concept? It's very, very helpful in your doing geometry concepts when further children.
Ma'am,
Even
but
I'm
these are
seeing
easy.
8th class students also they are doing mistakes while taking this part. That's why I'm continuously insisting and giving the work.
Ma'am, we'll think that these are easy at first, but we'll eventually forget.
Yeah, initial. That's why I'm insisting and giving for you many times too, because these are important concepts. Alternative interiors. I want answer from just a minute. Yes. Who is there? Aditi is there. I'm not seeing Aditi nowadays in the classroom. Aditi, are you there in the classroom? Yes or no? Next. Jait, are you there? Jait, are you there? No. Gohit?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there. Ma'am, it will
Go
take me a
ahead.
bit time, ma'am. I have like 2
Okay, you
questions.
just take, but please answer my question here. Then you can choose
Okay, ma'am.
the right time to. Yeah. Just are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, just a minute. Here, alternative interior. What are the angles? Alternative interior angles.
Ma'am, alternative interior angles means the angles which are inside the parallel lines
Okay.
and which are, ma'am, for example, in this angle, there are 3 and 6.
3, very good. 3 and 6. You just give the angles now. I can understand. 3 and
Ma'am, 3 and 6 and 4 and 5.
4 and 5. Good. Same way you can tell alternative exterior angles, Nana. Is this both are angles also equal, children? Please remember that. What are the points? First,
Yes, ma'am.
angle 3 equal to
Alternate angles and corresponding angles are equal.
yes.
Also, vertically opposite angles are
Vertical opposite
Yeah,
angle.
angle 5 is also equal. Next, what are alternative exteriors, Nana?
I'm 1 and 8 and 2 and 7.
Very good. 1 and 8 is equal, and 2 and 7 is equal. Right. Good.
Ma'am, we can call it as
you
angle
can-
7 and angle 2 also.
You can continue with your work so that I can call other student right
They
now.
are equal, so we can call it anyway.
Yeah. Satvika,
Yes, ma'am.
please respond and give my answer, Satvika. What are vertically opposite angles, Satvika? Vertically opposite angles.
Ma'am, angle
Yes.
angle 7 and 6,
Very good. 6 and 7.
angle 5 and 8,
Angle 5 and 8, right?
angle 1 and 4, and angle 3 and 2.
1 and 4 is all these angles are equal, my dear.
Yes, ma'am.
It's all vertically opposite angles are equal.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, they are equal.
Very
And
good.
they are
Yes, ma'am, they are.
supplementary also.
Very good.
Ma'am, and they are supplementary also.
Yes, they are equal. They are supplementary. The sum should be equal to 180.
90.
Next. They're not, of course, they are equal. Right. Next question to
Ma'am, Srishti.
1 minute, Nana. I just want to know. Some are not at all doing. Harini, are you there? Harini, have some network issues.
Yes, ma'am.
It's clarified your network now.
Yeah,
So,
ma'am.
Harini, please respond and give the answer, Harini.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me give the question for you. What are same side of the transversal? Interior same side of transversal.
Ma'am, for example, 5 and 3.
Very good.
Ma'am, they are like on the same side.
Can
But
you- same side of interior, same side of a transversal should be equal to?
180.
ma'am, 180.
Very good. Both are supplementary, so it should be equal to 180. Good.
Yes.
Right, Nana. Any other points we're supposed to discuss here, Raghav?
Ma'am, vertical angles.
Ma'am, corresponding.
Corresponding angle.
Oh, sorry. Yes, I supposed to use corresponding
Ma'am,
angle.
and linear pair.
Linear pair. Ahana, are you there, Ahana?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Ahana, please.
Okay.
What are corresponding angles, please, Ahana?
Ma'am, here 8 and 4, angle 8 and 4 are corresponding.
Very good.
And angle 7 and 3,
Okay.
angle 5 and 1, and angle 6 and 2.
Two. Very good. That's all. That's all. Based on this, if you know these points, you can do many questions on this. Next, Jait, are you there? Please respond, Jait. If you're there, please respond. And Shiva Pranav.
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Jait, if you're there, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Jait.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is what are linear pair, Jait, here?
Ma'am, linear pair are nothing but if we add two sum, we'll get 180 degrees.
So what are the linear pair here? Please let me.
Ma'am, 1 and 2.
Okay.
Ma'am, 7 and 5 and 3 and 1.
Okay.
Ma'am, and 5 and 6.
Is 2 and 4?
Ma'am, 2 and 4.
Yes,
ma'am. Ma'am, 2 and 4, 6 and 8 also.
Very good. Very good. That's all, Nana. These are the point you have to.
Ma'am, even 7 and 8 also will come, right?
7 and 8 also, correct? 7 and 8. If you take this is a straight line, Nana.
Yes,
If
sir.
you take this is a straight line. If you take
Ma'am,
like that, you can take 5 and 7, 6 and 8. That like that you will.
Ma'am, suppose in the exam, if it come like this, if it is 7 and 8, will the answer come correct or wrong?
Someone voice is coming in my system. Who is that?
Ma'am, I'm only.
Yes, ma'am, even I got sound, ma'am.
Even me, ma'am.
Ma'am, there was something.
Okay. Right.
Ma'am, like in examination, even if we keep 7 and 8, if it like it, they'll cut marks.
No, Jait, listen. In examination, they won't give direct. They will give any angle of 7. They will give just suppose angle 7 equal to some 90 degrees is given. What is 8 angle? You have to find out. Like that.
Ma'am, 90 degrees means it will be 90 degrees only, right?
90 degrees means it is the other angle should be 90. Suppose it is given as 60, you have to think like that. Same
Okay.
way, let me take another. Suppose there is another transversal I made to this. See, based on this, many questions we have, children. Whatever the shape inside the region here, you just please let me use it according to.
There can be two transversals
Yes.
in a single one.
Yes. What is the figure here? You can see here. Just please.
And then there are 16 angles in this.
16 angles. There are different. You can try with the two transversal, children. What is happening? Please think about it.
Ma'am, but when we use the properties, ma'am, we need to take one transversal and like.
No. Now, listen, Mahavir, you are 7th class, you have only one transversal. When you are going to 9th grade, you have a lot of things you are supposed to do. That time, you just think whatever the image formed by in these two figures. Is it a quadrilateral? You know the properties of quadrilateral. Sum of angles should be equal to 360. Based on we can find any opposite angles. Is it a parallelogram or else whatever the thing you just that question I am giving something means you're supposed to explore with that so that you can find some other interesting things to children. Please try it. No need of worry right now to learn. You just think about that. Yeah, these are the.
Age doesn't matter to learn.
My concept is Nana. Suppose this is okay. Suppose I'm taking here two transversals. Can you please 16 angles are forming? How it is equal? How it is same? What any relation between these? You can think like that.
Ma'am, then how will you find alternative interior angles, exterior?
I don't know. I just gave as a task to you. You just think and explore and come back with your doubts so that I can help you. What you're supposed to think, where you are doing. Now let me. This is about your transversal chapter, children. The next topic we'll go with. I think what are the next chapter you have?
Ma'am, what is the next chapter?
Properties of triangles. So shall we go with the properties of triangles or can we go with the comparing ratios and proportions, Sana?
Ma'am, let's go with ratio and
Proportion.
Ratio and proportion.
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am. In my examination, ma'am, there are only 3 chapters, ma'am.
Okay.
Chapter exponents and powers, algebraic expressions, and
Yeah. No, I want the same thing I want to suppose to say. Algebraic expressions we have to complete, children, first. So algebraic expressions we have to complete first. Because many students having exam.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, even simple equations, those 3 chapters, ma'am. But in the examination, in one question, I got a ratio and proportion, ma'am.
That's simple. Ma'am, Jade, can I ask you one thing? Did they ask to convert the answer which you got in the form of a ratio?
Yeah.
Okay, then that is common in every chapter. We can get it.
Okay.
Don't worry, children. Don't worry to things. Whatever learning things should be learned clearly. It's true. When you are going to sleep also, if any question is asked in the chapter, suppose just immediately ask what are corresponding angles. Your mind should get ma'am is teaching like that. What are corresponding? Ma'am said the corners, the same corners. Suppose one is same corner. What the other thing? You have to think like that, and you just please go through like that. Remember the things very long, children. Don't forget one. If I'm teaching one lesson, they will forget about other lesson. Yesterday I'm asking in 8th class about some exponents and powers, lots of exponents. Everything will be washed out. Now let me check whether how much you people are.
Ma'am, excuse me,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
of exponents and power.
Yeah, just a minute.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Go.
Ma'am, for us also we have operations and algebraic equations also we have.
That's why we'll go with the algebraic expressions first.
That is simple. We just have to add
like numbers addition, you are going to express.
Yes, ma'am, but you have to maintain the variable as it is.
There are many things involving in that. Integer concept should be strengthened and
An exponent concept.
Because we'll use horizontal method mainly.
Yes, yes. Anything, whatever the method you convenient, you can use, children. Don't worry about the methods, but still answer is getting same. You should understand why what is happening there. And that's all for the day, children. Please, next class ready with algebraic expressions. We'll go with
Yes,
algebraic
ma'am.
expressions in the
Ma'am
algebraic.
said you will give us some to
Algebraic
explain.
expressions, we are learning about how to forming expressions from patterns. So patterns, you know, patterns, children love to do
Yes, ma'am.
patterns.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
It comes under logical reasoning.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
is
ma'am.
yeah, this is also forming of expressions from patterns, how it is forming. And the types of algebraic expressions we discussed, what are monomials, binomials, and trinomials, and what are polynomials.
Polynomials. Ma'am,
Multinomial also.
ma'am, quaternomials.
Yes, and
Yes, ma'am.
Multinomial also.
yeah, and we supposed to how to add and subtract algebraic expressions is one part you have in grade 7, and when you're going to grade 8 you have multiplication and division too. But in this class 7 you have to perfect with the two operations of expressions, Nana. Next, finding the value of an expression, how we supposed to substitution method, how you supposed to find the value of expression for the
For
given.
that we should be able to frame an expression.
Yeah, and framing the formulas too. Framing formulas too. We have very interesting chapter. It's a really lovely chapter, children. You have to know patterns, how you to form a patterns means you can forming expressions from patterns. How I will show next class. We'll discuss everything. Please, these are the points we're supposed to cover. It's also quite interesting and simple topic. I don't feel little difficult also, children. It's very simple but interesting, and you need to math. My sincere advice to my children is math points. Suppose algebraic expressions I'm teaching means what are the basic points you write like 10 to 20 points about the chapter. And suppose exponents and powers, I'm giving some formulas earlier. A power m multiplied with a power n. What
Ma'am
is
is
the
equals to
formula?
A is equals to M plus N.
A power m plus n. So a power m divided by a power n is nothing but
A power n minus n.
A to the power M minus A N.
Suppose a negative exponent can be written as a by
1 by a power n.
so anything power 0 is always
1.
1. A by b whole power m is nothing but
AB whole power n.
a power m by b power m.
M.
And any other things ab into whole power m can be written as
AB whole power n.
A to the power 2 and
yes. So the ways you have to- yes, can I? Yes, Nana, please take care. Please take care. Some student is very difficult. Please listen. Okay, children, that's all. Please go through these points. The next class will meet and discuss the other points too. Please remember, like each and every chapter, you have to learn few things. A few points you have to write and keep ready with you. Whenever I'm asking, you have to be ready to answer the questions. Okay, children, bye. Take care. Have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Thank you so much, children.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am.
Raghu.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Please
Thank you, ma'am.
take care
Bye,
of
ma'am.
yourself, children. This month is very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Please take care.
Okay.